Are you ready to unlock the future of database management? Introducing database management using AI, a comprehensive guide, your all-in-one resource to revolutionize how you work with data. In this book, you will discover practical strategies for integrating AI with traditional databases, tools for enhancing data security and performance, and step-by-step tutorials for mastering AI-driven data solutions, perfect for students, developers, and professionals. And this guide provides in-depth insights and real-world examples to transform your data approach. It's available now on Google Play Books. Start your journey today, and link is in the description. Introducing A. Purushottam Reddy, the author and publisher behind Database Management Using AI, a comprehensive guide with passion for technology and years of experience in data management. Purushottam has crafted this ebook to bridge the gap between traditional databases and cutting-edge AI solutions. His expertise shines through in this detailed 2000-page guide designed for professionals, students, and developers eager to master AI-driven data management. Explore the comprehensive insights on Google Play Books, which is in the description. Samples chapter screenshots are being shared in this video presentation from chapter 1 to 9, and other things are available in the Google Playbooks. Kindly refer that link. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you find this video interesting, useful, and engaging. Let's catch up whenever the time arises. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.